expertise. His speciality is biodiversity conservation, wildlife protection, and we are here to learn from the lessons, the tests that China has passed in flying colors, learn from your experiences, learn from your combat pollution and smog. We're here to learn, and I would request Excellency the Minister to take it forward from here, and I want some tangible results to come out of this meeting so that people of Punjab can also benefit from your experiences, from the lessons that you've learned over time, from the expertise that you've developed in the past few years. And I suggest that we make a working group from your side, a working group from our side, that can sit together on taking some tangible measures for smog mitigation, for smog eradication, and improving the air quality in Pakistan. We can exchange technology, we can exchange ideas, we can exchange success stories, and follow in China's footsteps. We're also working on renewable energy, on clean energy, on green technology. And I have a very amazing anecdote to share here. When we entered China, I don't know which far-flung place it was, but from the windows of the plane, I looked down and I saw vast, expansive wind corridors, and I saw the machinery there. It was like a God-forsaken place, but using every inch of the land available to you. So I was really impressed. So this is what we are trying to do. I'm also investing hugely in solar energy. And just before embarking on this visit to China, we have opened applications for solar panels. We are doing joint ventures with Chinese companies. And because people are bogged down by the increasing energy costs, and it does affect industry and the household equally. So we are introducing, I want to go big on solar, clean energy, green energy, and wind energy, so that, everything that we do makes the environment safer. And lastly, I know I've taken a lot of time, I've spoken too much, I would want to hear from His Excellency, but I suggest a Beijing Punjab working group, as I suggested earlier, that does knowledge sharing, policy formulation, policy coordination, technology transfer, capacity building, data sharing, emission reduction strategies, green urban planning, green energy, and e-transport.
वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज शंघाई में मौसमियाती तब्दीली से मुतालिक कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रही हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि चीन के साथ मिलकर मुख्तलिफ शोबों में काम करेंगे।